Hi, in this lecture we talk about how to combine two indicators. Golden tips. First, you should make sure this 4 tips is okay. These 4 points is okay. First, version should be same. Okay. So, for example, suppose we want to combine MACD. Maybe, yeah. As I find a MACD. Yeah, MACD crossover indicator with EMR, with a SMA, maybe SMA, yeah, with a moving average symbol. And we want to combine to this indicator. Okay, so let's check code. Press on here, we add it, we open it on new window, press on this for SMT, we open it for new. No need, we need these two anymore here. Okay, for moving average our version is 6, and for MACD our version is 2. Seems it's 2. So we press on create a copy, we save it as a MACD crossover. Here we write version equal to 3. If it don't give us error, it will be really good. Error, so it is version 2. Unfortunately, because it's version 2, it's I think version 1. Yeah, it's version 1. So we open ChatGPT because, yeah, because it's easy. We say convert it to version 3, and here it will convert for us to version 3. Okay, we save it and declare identify line dash, because this is version 5 actually, or version 4 maybe. ChatGPT color, let's decide change it to version 5, and I delete meanwhile here I add color.purple, and here line style, I add line style dash. Here I should add tar, because this is version 5. Color dot red, color dot green, color dot blue, again color dot red, okay, again color dot blue, and declare a pose 1. Let's, if signal is this, otherwise signal is this. Let's, okay, H line, let us see one thing here, line style. So what is the problem here? Okay, our problem just is H line style. Okay, no, it's okay. Here I should change it to indicator, because version 5, instead of study we write indicator. Just our problem is, I see this is a part of code in a lower version. Can you write in version 5 Pinescrpt? Sure. Yeah. And now it's working fine. We added to chart to see does it working fine or not. Yeah, it's good work. But here, as you see, our moving and is version 6. So after version 3 we can convert it automatically. We convert code to version 6. As you see, it works fine. Now we change it to combined MACD crossover plus SMI. Okay, and short title can be, we don't need short title. Okay, here overlay is false. Overlay is false means it's showing in this, but our EMR is showing on main windows, not below windows. So for this we use force overlay. One thing, first we come here as you see in second. First make sure there is no same variable. What we do one easy way. We see which code is have lower code. This is there is a 34 line code and this is 22, so this is have less code. Here we copy it. We say in ChatGPT, I want to combine this strategy, this indicator to another one to another with another. Okay, I want to make sure all the variable has unique name, so please add to end of all variable name, for example MACD. Then we paste our code. So for example here was fast lane, here is no fast lane MACD. Okay, so we copy this. We don't copy this version 5 because our is version 6. We copy just this code and then we paste it here. Okay, so now we are sure that our variable name is unique. Okay, delete indicator, one indicator and leave another one. Here now we add this, we copy this and paste it here as second indicator. So we delete one indicator function and leave another just one. Okay, because it cannot have two indicator function or a strategy function. Okay, no, yeah, it's then if you let's save it and you will see it show SMI line here. But if you want use both below and main window, use force was force only or was force yeah, was force overlay. Yeah, we use, if you want use both below and main windows. Yes, we want do this. We want it show our SMI in main windows and our MACD in below windows. So use force overlay feature. Okay, here for second indicator we use force overlay. In plot force overlay true. Is there any plot? Yeah, here force overlay true. For this also, for this also, for this, for all of this force overlay true. No, we got the field function does not have this argument force overlay, so we comment this field because we cannot use it in main indicator, but we can use rest. So we check. As you see now, it show us our SMA here and our MACD here. Both is just one indicator. Okay, so we combined two indicator together.